If you want to remove objects from a photo on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we're gonna go to the Photos app. Next, we're gonna choose the photo that we wish to customize. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and we're gonna tap on this slider over here at the bottom of the screen. We're gonna choose Cleanup option, and after a couple of seconds, you might be able to see those highlighted sections. So we can use them in order to try to remove something that is immediately highlighted. You can still try to select the area if there is something left afterwards in order to try to, try to improve the photo and try to make it look better. As you can see now, it is definitely a little bit better, I mean. And in addition to that, of course, you can just, draw everything, like draw these lines over here on the subject that you want to get rid of. You can also draw a shape around the subject in order to try to select it and get rid of it. Unfortunately, in some cases, it's not doing a good work. And you can sometimes also just tap on the subject as well, but mostly they have to be highlighted here, like you saw before. And once you are done with your changes, you can tap on Done in the top right corner. You can also save as a duplicate if you want to keep the original by tapping on these three dots in the top right corner. Unfortunately, in this case, we cannot save the photo for some reason, but yeah. And in order to be able to have this cleanup option, to have the access to that cleanup option, you need to have Apple Intelligence enabled in the Apple Intelligence settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.